This simple gate leads to a driveway with a boulevard lined with trees on both sides, ushering you into an amazing entry to this luxurious shipping container home. This beautiful house is built using shipping containers. The house has got an amazing driveway that leads you to a 2-car garage, which is also built out of shipping containers. The house itself is also built using shipping containers stacked on 2 levels. This beautiful container home is built using 15 shipping containers stacked 2 stories high to create an amazing 4-bedroom, 6-bathroom, 5,000 plus square feet of habitable space sitting on a big lot of 141 acres. This house is an active listing, as shown, listed for $5.2 million US. The house has got 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 5,120 square feet of habitable space sitting on a 141 acre lot built in the year 2024. Getting inside this house, you'll find it as modern and luxurious as it is on the outside. There's a view of the lounge area in the living space. The lounge is cozy and spacious with nice sitting area facing an electric fireplace to create a welcoming lounge area. The house is big enough, fitted with large glass windows and sliding glass doors that open wide onto an outdoor dining area. This house has got a chef's kitchen, modern and nicely fitted with stainless steel appliances, with adequate counter space overhead and under the counter storage space. Next to the kitchen is a big center island, which also serves as a big dining area that can seat 8 or more depending on your configuration. This modern kitchen space is ideal for this family setup. The space is equally lit nicely by adequate daylighting from the big glass windows that are on every elevation connecting to the numerous outdoor living spaces. The house has got a cloakroom on this ground floor level, which is also connected to a nice guest space with a beautiful setup for an easy sitting area, a guest bedroom which is served by a modern full bathroom as shown. This bathroom space is big enough and adequate. A floating staircase from the living room connects to 2 levels of the house, one on the lower ground level and another one on the upper story. The upper story is an amazing space comprising of a small office area. There's also a master suite which is big enough. As you can see, it has got adequate glass windows and a big glass door that opens to the outdoor space. This master bedroom is served with a big master bathroom with dual sinks. It is big enough and it is well lit by the big glass windows as shown. The bathroom has got a nice glass shower cubicle with bench seating. Next to this is a big walk-in closet, big enough for his and hers clothing and storage space. Next to this master suite are 2 other bedrooms. The bedrooms are equally spacious and big enough, well lit with adequate daylighting. They are also served by their own bathroom spaces, which are fully fitted and modern. Next to it is another bedroom as shown. It has got windows on each and every elevation, creating a well-lit bedroom space. The bedroom is also served with its own modern bathroom as shown, with a different color theme. There's also a glass shower cubicle and a big bathroom mirror. There's an additional space on this particular story, and it has got a direct access to the outdoors with its own bathroom as shown. The floating staircase from the ground floor level connects to this lower ground story, which is an exclusive family space with a big lounge area. There's also a nice single-walled kitchen, which has been given a nice color theme in red to make the kitchen area pop. There are also bunk beds in nooks as shown, surrounded by storage spaces to create an amazing feel of a modern living space. In this particular area, you'll also find the lounge area with a sectional couch, and characteristic of this particular level is the exposed concrete columns which are left in their raw state to celebrate the industrial style of this amazing house. The space on this particular level is served with its own bathroom with a similar color theme, a glass shower, bath area, and a big bathroom mirror. On the outside, we have lots of outdoor living spaces on the ground level and on the first floor story. The house has got these balcony areas overlooking every other side of the lot, including this amazing view of the driveway at night, showing the boulevard and the driveway. This house has got also a nice outdoor barbecue area as shown, which is ideal for family cookouts, to entertain and also to host. There's also this pond with a fountain, creating an ambience to the outdoors. The house has got also a hoop for your basketball and also some tennis space. So you can see this lot is well tended and it is well designed with all auxiliary facilities. What do you think about this listing? This amazing house, would you buy it for the listing price? If yes, give us your reasons and tell us what you think about this amazing shipping container home by posting in the comment section below. If you're planning to build your own shipping container home and you have no idea where to start from, worry not. We have put together an amazing building guide, the most comprehensive shipping container home building guide you can find on the market. Nail it with our new complete guide on how to build your own container home. This guidebook includes over 300 pages of expert tips, step-by-step instructions, real examples, full color pictures, and professional illustrations structured into 14 detailed chapters. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus, a floor plan of our most popular design, a real-world case study, and a checklist to plan your building costs. Download 2 free chapters of the book now. Grab your copy today using the link in the description below and start building. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email using info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.